Hi everyone, it's Judy Grubb with the Grubb team, and we've been riding a real estate roller coaster for about 8 months now, and I'm sure you've heard a lot on the news, and I know it can be really confusing, and that's why at the Grubb team we are going to have a workshop to discuss our local East Bay real estate market. We're also going to be talking about the buying process, investing, and we're going to answer your questions because we know that a lot of people have a lot of questions right now. So if you're not thinking about buying, please share this with your family, friends, neighbors, coworkers. You know, we would love to help them in their real estate buying process. Happy New Year.